is ready for putting wax on or whatever finish we decide. Before we do, there's 3 things I'd like you to do. First of all, looking at the back, we need to do something about the screw hole that took the Carve screw. So either fill that or, like I do, add a little nameplate or something that'll cover it. The second thing is to find some sort of hanging position. You want to sort this out before we do any finishing. I'm using a little keyhole escutcheon plate that'll fit in there. You need to recess it and cut that so that the screw can go, the wall screw can go into some part of the wood. So you want to do those 2 things at the back, clean it up. Then at the front, one other thing is that sometimes when we carve these edges, they're very sharp and actually not very pleasant to handle. So what I do is I get a very fine piece of sandpaper. This is 400 grit, and I literally just wipe it across the edge like this. So it's not sanding as such, but it's just taking off any hard edges that might be unpleasant to touch. So work your way over that, just a quick wipe with that, and then we're ready to put our beeswax on. And here's some beeswax in a jar. You can get proprietary wax or you can make it yourself, and I'll show you how to put this on right now. Take some soft beeswax and put it quite generously on the carving. You can put it all over, or you can do one area at a time. Then the trick is to get a hairdryer and melt the wax. I'm going to turn this off so that you can hear me, but I'm melting the wax and that warms the wood and gets it into there. And then here's the trick, is you take excess wax and you wipe it off like so, and with the hairdryer still going, you work the wax into these corners, into these crevices, melt it in there, take off excess, and you keep doing this until the whole carving is finished. When you've finished and made sure that all the wax is out of the crevices, you can give it a final burnish with a cloth and then leave it alone. This wax takes a while to go off, so up to that point it will show fingerprints. So make sure that you don't touch it, let it all go hard. Then you give it a final polish with a clean rag and the carving will be finished. I've fitted the 2 pieces on the back to finish it off there, and now it's just a matter of hanging it on the wall. This carving hangs slightly above eye level, sort of up here a little bit, so you get a nice slightly looking up view of it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the project. I hope you've made it your own, changed it a little bit, and had fun. Cheers.